toys. Let's find the best one. Wow! Look at that giant teddy bear! It's so big! I want it! I saw it first! No! I want it! Let go!
Never!
Let go! Never! Polly, you will break the toy!
Please share nicely.
It's mine! No, it's mine! Look at what you've done!
Look at what you've done. Oh dear, what happened? They were fighting over the toy.
I'm sorry. Let's share this one. That's a great idea!
I'm sorry.
We should have shared.
This is a wonderful choice. We'll both take care of.
And we'll share.
Sharing is always better than fighting. Toys can be replaced, but kindness and love between brothers and sisters are much more important.